Guys, so my buddy just got back from a trip. Did 4,000 miles on his motorcycle. What's he do? First stop, comes to see me. Now, I'm gonna upload a couple pictures of the before and the after. Like, buddy had this bike pretty dirty. She was in the rain and everything else, and I mean, put through 4,000 miles. So, come to get her detailed, and I'm pretty sure he's going to be a happy camper. So I'll give you a look at the bike. These tail tips were just nasty, like just coated in road debris and everything else. And I got them to come out pretty slick. You guys can see that. Got all his chrome all polished up, shiny. His dash all cleaned up, handlebars, handle grips, everything, mirrors. I think the only thing I didn't do was take the motor out of the bike. Even when you look under here, and behind his saddlebags, everywhere. Took a bit of time, but he wanted to see his teeth in the paint, and for doing everything by hand, I think we accomplished his goal. So I think he's going to be a pretty happy customer. So there you go. So if you guys looking to get your motorcycle detailed, shoot me a message if you're in the Moncton, New Brunswick area. I only do it by appointment, so you gotta make an appointment. I just can't get enough of this bike. She's clean. Well, if you haven't already, and you'd like to, you want to subscribe, please do, and we'll see you next time.